But I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out.
Happy birthday, Mimi. There are so many things I could thank you for, but I don't think a lifetime with meaning. What amazes me most is how the kindness that you support our family. You help people even when it's not your responsibility. You give your time, your energy, and your heart simply because that's the kind of person you are. You are one of the most beautiful women I know, not just because of how you look, but because of the heart you carry. I hope today reminds you of how deeply appreciated you are and how much you mean to all of us. You deserve every happiness, every blessing, and every bit of love that comes your way. And because so many people wanted to celebrate you too, please watch these clips.
Happy birthday, anak. God bless. God bless. Love you.
Palipat mo na yung pagkain namin.
Birthday, Mommy. Love you. Ingat ka. God bless.
Wow!
Hey, today is your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita. I'm so lucky for having you as my tita. And alam mo naman, ikaw ang inspiration ko, ikaw ang idol ko, lahat na. Ikaw ang kamukha ko. Sobrang strong mo. Ikaw yung pinaka-strong na tao na kilala ko. At like ka mag-iingat dyan, miss na kita. At wala na akong masabi. Basta shot na tayo pag-uwi mo. I love you.
Hello guys, happy birthday nga pala dyan sa pangalawa kong nanay dyan. Maganda ng tita, pretty, pa sa lahat. Yan, happy birthday tita. Ingat ka palagi. Thank you very much sa lahat na natulong mo sa akin. Love you tita. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Keep safe.
Happy birthday po, tita. God bless po.
Hello, Nak! Gusto ka na? Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na? Meron ka na bang 20% discount? Wala akong gift sa'yo. Ito na nag-gift ko sa'yo si Jollibee tsaka ito, oh. Yan, ito dalawa, oh. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tiche. Ingat palagi dyan. God bless.
Po tita!
Happy birthday, tita! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
I wish you a happy birthday and a long life.
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you.
Ay, tita, happy birthday. I love you. Ingat ka po dyan lagi.
Happy birthday sa tita kong maganda at mabait. Wish you all the best, tita, para sa birthday mo. Long life and good health. And gabayan ka ni Lord sa mga kung ano man yung gusto mo sa buhay. Maging masaya ka po palagi, tita. Huwag ka po magpapaka-stress. And mag-iingat ka po palagi. I love you more po. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Happy birthday, Tita Mil. God bless you po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Min. More birthday to comes. Love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Ayun, Tita Mil, kumusta ka na? Sana ayos ka lang dyan sa Qatar. Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life, and sana ligtas kang makauwi dito. Love you.
Hello po, Tita. Happy birthday po. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday po.
Hi, me! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, me!
Happy birthday! More balls to come!
Hi, baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
birthday. More sugars to come.
Family, many more happy returns of the day. Okay, enjoy your life. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.
Happy birthday, B. Bia, ano ka sweet nga? Diba hula ko sa ano? B, happy birthday. Ilan taon na ba siya, B? Hindi ko alam.
32.
Ha?
32.
I wish ko sa'yo, sana maganda yung buhay and then para sa mga anak mo. And happy birthday. Yun lang.
Hi Camille, happy birthday to you. Yan lang. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Bunbunan. Happy birthday, love you, Bunbun.
Hi Camille, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Bebe Loves. Sana umaba pa ang iyong buhay. Basta happy birthday. I love you, Mama. Chup chup.
Hi, B. Camille. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you, babe.
Happy birthday nga pala, Bunbunan. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo, isa ka sa the best mom sa iyong mga anak. Yan, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. By the way, pag naglalaro tayo, masyadong mayat ang ulo. Happy lang. Alam naman namin na MVP ka eh. Kaya, smile lang lagi. And happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Camila. Wish you all the best in life. Good health.
B!
Happy birthday, Be! Camila, I love you so much. Maging matatag ka sa lahat. At talaga may gano'n. Magpakatatag ka at sana yung dream mo, yung dream mo na kumapal yung bunbunan. Hindi, joke lang. Yung dream mo matupad mo, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Mangarap ka hanggat gusto mo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Camila. Sana ingat lagi and enjoy your birthday.
Ingat po.
Sana yung mga anak mo lagi mong tatawagan ha. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bebe, sa aming MVP, Captain Ball ng volleyball ng WA Salon. Ano ba? Ang wish ko ngayon sa birthday mo is nasa iyo na lahat eh. Siya na lang kulang. Chares! Sana yung kung ano mang hinihiling ng puso mo ay matupad. Parang sa isa sa hinihiling, meron din ako gusto dun. Sana ang bakasyon mo sa Pinas ay mag-enjoy ka. Ano pa ba?
Ang haba naman.
Haba na daw eh.
Gusto nangangawit na ako.
Happy birthday, Cams! I love you.
Hi, Boots! Happy birthday! Wish ko for you is... Ano bang wish ko for you? Sana bawas-bawasan mo yung pagkatuyo. Sana tumubo na yung ano mo sa bumbunan. And... Parang ang hirap mag-wish sa'yo eh. Hindi, stay positive palagi at saka good health kasi yun yung kailangan mo dahil patanda na tayo, dumagdag na naman yung edad mo, di ba? So enjoy your birthday and I love you always. You're my only one. Bumbunan. Birthday. Love you.